You are welcome again today to my channel, Simplified English Grammar. In our previous class, we introduced pronoun. That is the second part of speech being treated in this channel. If you have not been following us, we have treated a whole lot in noun as a part of speech. Please, you have to go back, trace it. We have the link there. Trace it back, follow it up to give you a grasp of what we are doing here. So today we'll be continuing with personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Pronouns used instead of a name are called personal pronouns. Pronouns used instead of a name are called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns covers the three persons in the English language. We have three persons in the English language, and personal pronoun covers them all. Number one, we have the first person, the second person, and the third person. The first person pronoun, the second person pronoun, and then the third person pronoun. Let's meet them. Here we have the persons. The first person, that is the speaker. The second person, the person spoken to. The third person, that is the person or place spoken about. It could be a person, it could be a thing, or a place spoken about. Here under the first person, we have I, we, me, us, both in the accusative case and in the nominative case. Here we have the second person, you. The third person can be he, she, it, him, they, and them. For more clarity, let me give you a list of this pronoun. Here we have them. Subjective personal pronoun. Just subjective. Here we have I, you, she, he, it, they, you, and we. The first three, I, you, she, he, it, are all singular in nature. You know, when we were dealing with nouns, we talked about singular and plural. Even pronoun has singular and plural. And the last three here refer to plural. Now, this first I is the person speaking. You is the person to which I'm speaking with. The person I'm speaking with. And he, she, or it is the person I'm speaking about. Do you get it? The person I'm speaking about. I'll go over it again. I refers to the speaker. You is the person to which the speaker is speaking with. And the third person singular is the person we are talking about. So I here refers to the first person singular, you, the second person singular, while she, he, it, the third person singular. Again, we have they here as the first person plural pronoun. The first person plural pronoun here, they. You here is the second person plural pronoun. Is different from this first one. Somebody will want to ask, why are they different? The context will tell you which is singular and which is plural. And finally, we have we here as the third person plural pronoun. I believe you have learned something new today. Next time, in our next episode, we'll be talking about non-human pronoun. Follow us. If you have not liked, please do subscribe. If you have any question, if you have any clarification, don't hesitate to write it in our comment box. We'll give it attention as at when due. Thank you very much. Do have a pleasant day.